Good afternoon. My name is El Dr. Espiri Gonzalez, and I would like to welcome everybody to our documentary video regarding the HIP Health Team. HIP stands for Health in Planning. This organization was a very valuable asset to us in trying to build this current clinic that we have here today. As you can see here, this is our main little office right here. And back in a couple years ago, we used to not have any sort of services for our community around here. We used to have a mobile clinic that used to come around to this neighborhood and try to provide services for our patients. So it was very important that when we create our clinic, we provide an environment that was very appealing to the community. Because many times when you go to a clinic and you are very nervous to see a doctor, it's very difficult to establish a good relationship with your patients. So one of our big goals was to provide, for example, here as you can see, our very homey type of waiting room, where we have these sofas that look sort of like a circus, but in reality we are here in a very professional setting. But it helps for the people and the kids to feel at home and to see many of these characters like a frog and a tiger right here on the wall. In our process of doing the clinic, which is why we also are doing this testimonial of the video, is to thank the HIP Health Team, because they did a very good job in bringing in their ideas to try and fit our dreams of trying to make a clinic that was very comfortable for a patient population. And they did a very great job in trying to use this old school building to create this very beautiful clinic that serves the needs of the people that usually consist of the Latino population, which is my peeps, and also many other diverse backgrounds. And this specialty HIP Health Team of very intelligent people knows over 25 languages, which is very what's the word, phenomenal. And next, I would like to invite you to actually see some of our facilities that were built here in the old school clinic. And now we find ourselves in the one of the exam rooms right here. The beauty of these rooms is, before, like I mentioned, we only had a mobile clinic, which is very difficult to only serve the population once a week. And now we actually have a very beautiful rooms right here. As you can see, very clean and very organized. We have an examination table here for the adults, and right here we have little Elmo, who is going to get weighed later in the pediatric section. So this is very useful and a lot more modern, which is why we like the HIP organization, because they really helped us to modernize our establishment and actually provided laptops for us as well, to be able to provide consistent referrals, consistent medication requests, and consistent follow-up for our patients, which is very important. And if we walk down this way, you can see the footprints here for kids to follow the rooms, because like I mentioned, we like to have a home type of environment. And over here you will also find another exam room, and the same thing here. We have for pediatrics right here, to be weighed for the little babies like this. I like working with little babies. It's very rewarding. And for the adults, and we like to have a lot of educational posters on the e-walls, so patients can read while they wait for us to come and examine. But I would really like to say in summary that the HIP Health Team was a very valuable asset in helping to provide us our dream of making a very homey environment and a very modern environment, which was a very key and important process for us to be able to provide the services for the community, and to be able to give to the community a very useful, economic, and affordable place for them to look for healthcare. And for that, we would like to thank the HIP Health Team for all of these services and continued support in trying to make this come true. Thank you.